Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is an electric handheld milk frother that's used to create foams for your lattes or whatever. But before I actually open the product, let me show you guys some of the stuff on the side first. So you can see right here, I show you guys how to use the product itself right here. And we turn on this slide, they have some specs about the product itself right here. And then this slide right here, they tell you guys the story and how to clean the product and how to install the battery, which I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. But first thing first is actually open up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product itself, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like. So they do provide you guys a little user manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And right here we have the actual product itself. So it does come with a little stand to hold up the milk frother, which is super nice. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. So they actually have these in like different colors, so you guys can choose whatever you guys want to. But this is the one that I got here. So there's a little button on top to press it to activate it. Right here is the little whisk. So this one's like a single whisk right here that you can use. So all you need to do is just press the button to activate it and start using it. But I don't have a battery in here yet, because they don't actually provide you guys the battery, so you need to have your own battery to use it. But all you guys need to do is open up the back part here, and this is what the inside looks like here. So for this one, it uses two AA batteries in here. And the way how you guys put in the battery, you guys want to make sure the string is inside. So that way, if you guys put the battery inside, you can use the string to pull it out. That is only when you guys need to replace the battery. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually go test this out first to show you guys how it works and whether it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I got the product all set up right here. I got the milk frother here as well. I got some milk here. Let's give it a try and see when it actually works. Alright, so that should be good. You guys can see that the product itself does work. You guys can see all the foam that I created right here. So obviously when you guys use these milk frothers or any type of milk frother, you probably want to use like a stainless steel cup. So that way you guys don't damage the side right here, because if you guys do use it on the side right here and you guys turn it on, it will scratch the side of it. And I found this out the hard way when I did it myself and it scratched my cup. So don't do that when you guys use this product. But you can see the texture on here, it actually works really well. All the foam right here looks amazing. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw the quick test of the product itself, as you can see it actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use the product, and definitely love the fact of how small and portable it is. So you can basically use this anywhere. For example, if you guys want to bring this to your office, or you guys want to bring this on the go when you're traveling somewhere. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like handheld milk frother that's similar to this would be definitely really worth it if you guys plan on using it, or if you guys need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have needs one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for the unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to click on that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.